Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, if you've ever wondered about Pregabalin and how it can help with certain medical conditions, you're in the right place. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this medication. Pregabalin, also known by its brand name Lyrica, is mainly used to treat epilepsy, nerve pain, and anxiety. For example, if you're dealing with pain caused by nerve damage from diabetes or shingles, Pregabalin can be a relief. It's also prescribed to prevent seizures and to treat fibromyalgia. Now, how does it work? Pregabalin calms down the damaged or overactive nerves in your body that can cause pain or seizure. It does this by attaching to certain parts of your nervous system, reducing the release of neurotransmitters that send pain signals. Let's talk dosage. Starting with a low dose, your doctor will gradually increase it based on your condition and how you respond to the treatment. It's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Never adjust the dosage yourself. But like all medications, Pregabalin has its side effects. You might experience dizziness, dry mouth, or even blurred vision, among others. It's important to consult your doctor if any of these persist or worsen. And remember, it's not suitable for everyone. Pregnant women or people with certain medical conditions should avoid. To wrap up, Pregabalin can be a game changer in managing pain and preventing seizures when used correctly. Always make sure to use it under your doctor's supervision, and you'll be on your way to managing your condition more effectively. Stay informed and take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.